Hey everyone, Lucas at Lamin-x, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our Lamin-x Paint Protection Film, the benefits and purpose of our paint protection film, and why you should use our Lamin-x Paint Protection Film to protect the paint and resale value of your vehicle for many years to come. Let's go. Our Lamin-x Paint Protection Film is a clear sheet of film that directly applies onto your vehicle. It is thick and pliable, but it is also strong enough to take the abuse from scuffing and scraping or bigger rock impact damages. The Lamin-x will take the abuse instead of the paint, keeping your vehicle looking new for many years to come. As well as being thick enough to take all of the abuse for your vehicle, our Lamin-x Paint Protection Film is also self-healing. So as the Lamin-x does take this scratching and impact damage, over time with help from the heat, the adhesive will begin to melt and bind into those scratches, and over time all the scratches and abuse will disappear and heal up and look completely perfect. Not only can our Lamin-x Protection Film take all the abuse for your vehicle and heal itself over time, but our film is also stain resistant, making sure our Lamin-x can take absolutely anything that is thrown at you. Our Lamin-x Paint Protection Film is designed pre-cut exactly to fit the door edge guards of your vehicle. That way, as you're parked in a crowded parking spot and someone might bang their door against your door is completely protected from any scratching or paint chipping damage. We also make Lamin-x Paint Protection Film in the form of our door cup guards. That way, as you're opening your door and you're getting in with your ring or maybe even your keys, and you might scratch the inside of your door cup, our Lamin-x is there to take all the scratching and abuse. We also offer our rear bumper guards to protect your rear bumper as you're loading in groceries, luggage, or have anything else in the back of your car that you may need to transport in and out. We also offer our door sill guards to protect your door sill as you and your passengers are getting out of your car quickly. We also offer our A-pillar guards to make sure your A-pillar is protected from any rocks that may fly up and make impact with it as you're going down the highway. We also offer our rocker panel and wheel arch guards to make sure the side of your vehicle is protected as rocks and mud sling up from the tires. We also have Lamin-x Paint Protection Film in the form of our fuel door guards, so as you're shutting your fuel door with your keys or anything else that may cause scratch damage, the Lamin-x is there to protect it. We also have our invisible bug guards to protect from any bug guts and impact damage that you may encounter while driving. We offer all of these kits pre-cut, designed to specifically fit your vehicle, and we also offer entire clear bra kits to keep your car's paint looking new for many years to come, as well as keep the resale value of that car. If you want to learn more about our Lamin-x Paint Protection products, visit our website laminx.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.